Have you ever pondered whether your birth date could influence your financial future? Many people believe that the date we are born impacts not just our health and love life, but also our financial prospects. Imagine if astrology and numerology could reveal secrets about your potential for wealth and prosperity. If you were born on specific dates, you might be destined for financial success. It's thought that our birth date plays a crucial role not only in our health and love life, but also in our financial journey. Today, let's explore how astrology and numerology can unlock fascinating insights about our potential for wealth and prosperity. Get ready to uncover how each birth date carries a unique message and how we can use this knowledge to unlock the doors to abundance. Join us on this journey toward a future filled with promise and opportunities. One of life's most persistent questions is, what will be the measure of my fortune? It's intriguing to consider that sometimes our destiny seems to be mapped out from the moment we are born. However, don't worry. We're here to unveil the secrets behind this vital question. Prepare to reveal the mysteries that can decipher the puzzle of financial prosperity. Before we proceed, please like this video and subscribe to our Rich Life Map channel. Your support helps us continue providing valuable Buddhist wisdom that can transform your life profoundly. The role of numbers in our lives. Since ancient times, numbers have played a significant role in human life, intertwining with spiritual concepts and hidden meanings that go beyond the material world. From numerology to astrology, various interpretations have flourished, seeking to understand the relationship between numbers and human destiny. This journey goes beyond conventional understanding, diving into the cosmic mysteries of our existence. Many people, in their quest for answers, are captivated by the idea that their birth date could shape their financial path. However, acquiring wealth is not a simple task. It requires constant effort, perseverance, and dedication. Yet some believe that the stars, in their cosmic dance, can offer valuable guidance on attracting fortune. Let's delve into the realm of mystery and discovery, where the secrets hidden in the stars can illuminate the path to financial prosperity and personal fulfillment. To understand the financial potential outlined by your birth date, we must analyze it thoroughly, reducing it to a single digit. For instance, the birth date of June 20th, 1990 adds up to 27, which further reduces to the digit 9. This numerical revelation helps glimpse the contours of your economic destiny. The significance of specific birth dates. For those born on the 4th, 16th, 21st, or 29th, numerology suggests they possess a sensitive nature, but often struggle to claim what is rightfully theirs. Cultivating self-esteem and recognizing their worth are crucial steps toward a healthier relationship with money. Financial stability is attainable through hard work and adherence to numerological principles. Those born on the 5th, 17th, 22nd, or 30th are naturally creative and innovative, giving them an edge in financial matters. However, they must balance their creativity with careful financial planning to avoid pitfalls. For individuals born on the 9th, 13th, 26th, or with master numbers 11 and 22, money isn't the primary focus. Their journey leans more toward intellect and knowledge. Yet they have a natural talent for financial matters, and with dedication, they can achieve economic success. Those born on the 6th, 18th, 23rd, or 31st are tireless workers with exceptional planning skills. Their dedication and natural talent help them achieve financial stability early in life, leading to a comfortable economic situation. For individuals born on the 8th, 14th, 25th, or 10th, wealth manifests in both material and spiritual forms. They value family, spirituality, and knowledge, but must also focus on financial matters to achieve a balanced and fulfilling life. The intricacies of numerological analysis. Each birth date brings unique characteristics and challenges that shape our relationship with money. Understanding these trends helps us enhance our financial capabilities and achieve prosperity. However, it's essential to approach this with skepticism and scientific rigor. Financial success is influenced by various factors, including family environment, educational opportunities, and personal effort. By considering these elements, we can gain a comprehensive understanding of our financial dynamics and pave the way to prosperity. I hope this exploration into the influence of birth dates on our finances has been enlightening and inspiring. Knowledge is a powerful tool, and by understanding how cosmic and numerical energies shape our finances, we empower ourselves to achieve our dreams. The journey toward financial prosperity. Embarking on this journey of financial discovery, we must first understand the basic principles of numerology. Numerology is the study of numbers and their mystical meanings. It is believed that numbers can influence various aspects of our lives, including our financial well-being. By analyzing our birth date, we can gain insights into our financial potential and how to achieve prosperity. The first step in this process is to reduce our birth date to a single digit. This is done by adding up the individual numbers in our birth date until we arrive at a single digit. For example, if you were born on June 20th, 1990, you would add 6 for June, plus 2 plus 0 for the 20th, plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 for 1990 to get 27, which further reduces to 9. This single digit, known as the life path number, reveals key aspects of our financial potential. Let's take a closer look at how different birth dates can influence our financial journey. Birth dates 4th, 16th, 21st, and 29th. Individuals born on these dates are believed to have a strong connection with financial stability. They are often seen as hardworking, reliable, and determined. However, they may struggle with self-esteem and claiming what is rightfully theirs. It's crucial for these individuals to recognize their worth and cultivate a positive self-image. By doing so, they can build a healthier relationship with money and achieve financial success. These individuals are also known for their practical approach to life. They are meticulous planners and excellent at managing their finances. Their methodical nature ensures that they make sound financial decisions and avoid unnecessary risks. With persistence and dedication, they are likely to enjoy financial stability throughout their lives. Birth dates: 5th, 17th, 22nd, and 30th. People born on these dates are naturally creative and innovative. Their ability to think outside the box gives them an edge in financial matters. They are often drawn to careers that allow them to express their creativity and come up with unique solutions. However, their innovative nature can sometimes lead to impulsive financial decisions.
It's important for these individuals to strike a balance between their creativity and financial planning. By doing so, they can avoid potential pitfalls and build a solid financial foundation. Their innate ability to generate new ideas can lead to significant financial success, provided they manage their finances wisely.
Birth dates: 9th, 13th, 26th, and master numbers 11 and 22. For individuals born on these dates, money is not the primary focus. Their journey is more inclined towards intellect and knowledge. They have a natural talent for financial matters, but often prioritize their intellectual and academic pursuits. This does not mean they cannot achieve financial success. Rather, it requires them to channel their skills and knowledge into financial endeavors. These individuals may go through various jobs and experience professional frustrations before finding their true calling. However, once they align their passion with their financial goals, they are likely to achieve remarkable success. It's essential for them to follow their passion, as this will lead to both personal fulfillment and financial prosperity. Birth dates: 6th, 18th, 23rd, and 31st. Those born on these dates are known for their tireless work ethic and exceptional planning skills. They are dedicated and determined individuals who strive for excellence in everything they do. Their unwavering commitment to their goals ensures that they achieve financial stability early in life. These individuals are also natural leaders and excel in roles that require strategic planning and execution. Their ability to manage resources effectively makes them successful in their financial endeavors. By maximizing their talents and investing in solid financial planning, they pave the way for a life of stability and prosperity. Birth dates: 8th, 14th, 25th, and 10th. Wealth manifests in various forms for individuals born on these dates. They value family, spirituality, and the pursuit of knowledge. While financial matters may not always be their primary focus, they understand the importance of maintaining a balance between their material and spiritual needs. These individuals are often drawn to careers that allow them to make a positive impact on society. Their compassionate nature and desire to help others drive them to pursue meaningful work. By dedicating time and effort to personal projects, they can achieve both material and spiritual enrichment. The path to financial success. Understanding the influence of birth dates on our financial journey is just the beginning. It's important to remember that financial success is not solely determined by our birth date. Several factors come into play, including our upbringing, education, and personal efforts. Here are some key steps to achieving financial success, regardless of your birth date. Set clear financial goals. Define what financial success means to you, and set clear, achievable goals. Whether it's saving for a house, starting a business, or investing for retirement, having specific goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Create a budget. A well-planned budget is essential for managing your finances effectively. Track your income and expenses, and allocate funds for savings, investments, and discretionary spending. This will help you make informed financial decisions and avoid unnecessary debt. Invest wisely. Educate yourself about different investment options and choose those that align with your financial goals. Diversify your investments to minimize risk and maximize returns. Consider seeking advice from financial experts to make informed decisions. Cultivate financial discipline. Practice financial discipline by avoiding impulsive purchases and sticking to your budget. Regularly review your financial goals and make adjustments as needed. Discipline and consistency are key to long-term financial success. Expand your knowledge, continuously educate yourself about personal finance, and stay updated on market trends. Knowledge is power, and the more you learn about managing money, the better equipped you will be to make sound financial decisions. Seek opportunities for growth. Be open to new opportunities for financial growth. This could include pursuing additional education, starting a side business, or exploring new career paths. Embrace change and take calculated risks to achieve your financial goals. Maintain a positive mindset. A positive mindset is crucial for achieving financial success. Believe in your ability to achieve your goals and stay motivated, even in the face of challenges. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your financial growth. In conclusion, understanding the influence of birth dates on our financial journey offers valuable insights into our potential for wealth and prosperity. While numerology and astrology provide intriguing perspectives, it's important to approach these concepts with a balanced view. Financial success is a multifaceted achievement that involves personal effort, discipline, and a deep understanding of the factors that shape our financial landscape.
By integrating the wisdom of numerology with practical financial strategies, we can empower ourselves to achieve our financial goals and unlock the doors to abundance. Remember, knowledge is a powerful tool, and by exploring the intricate mechanisms through which cosmic and numerical energies shape our finances, we can move confidently toward the realization of our boldest dreams.
Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery and growth. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Let's continue to explore the universe's secrets and unravel the mysteries that surround us. Until our next adventure, may your path be filled with prosperity and fulfillment.